Hey, Josh Rifkin here from Flowers Displays. I'm excited to share with you our new lightweight, easy to assemble table made out of a corrugated plastic. You take this side panel and your bottom front panel piece, which we have printed here. Take the tab, you just slide it in to the bottom few slots, drop it down. Take the top panel, this is your front pieces, they seam together, drop that down. Now you've got a nice branding in the front. I'm going to take the side panel here with these slots here and just slide them into all four. Push that in, drop it down. We're halfway there. Now I'm going to spin this around. Take this joist here, kind of pull it together, slide it into the tab, drop that down. Same goes here. Now, these joists will help support the shelves that I'm going to drop in. And drop down like that. And this is for the second shelf. And here are our shelves. Just go in at a quarter angle here. Let them drop. And then you just push them back. A little slot here so it's flush. And our bottom shelf. Put that down there. And finally, our top part of the table. We've got these little slots in here. You just match them up. And there you go. I'm going to spin this around. You can see you've got shelves here. These can support up to 20 pounds, if not more. Spin this around. They have a nice branded, waterproof, lightweight table. Weighs 12¼ pounds. Each part is less than 2 pounds. And this is a 42-inch high tall table, 46 inches wide, 24 inches deep.